Dear student, for payment of your admission fee for taking admission into the HS classes of SS College Hailakandi, you have to visit sscollegehkd.ac.in, where the admission portal button is placed at the top of the page. You have to select the admission portal button and two drop down menu will appear. One is HS admission and second one is TDC admission. As we are taking admission in HS, so we have to select the HS admission button from the drop down menu, and this link will direct you to this page. And the first thing we have to do is to watch the tutorial video, which will help us to pay the fee smoothly. For payment of the admission fee, we will be requiring the student ID, and the student ID for each student who applied for admission into the SS College Hailakandi is provided here stream wise. For example, for our student, you have to click here and the list with student ID is available in the PDF sheet. Accordingly, for science stream, we have to click here. The list of student along with their student ID is provided here. And for commerce student also, the same thing is there. Now, suppose your student ID is 7440272291. So you have to remember this student ID for payment of your admission fee. After that, you have to select the stream for which you are taking admission. For example, I have copied a student ID from the science stream, so I am going to select the science stream for payment of the admission fee. So just from the drop down menu, select the stream. This will redirect you to the payment page, and where you can use the student ID or you can use your registered mobile number, but it is advisable to use the student ID from the list provided to you in the website. So use the student ID and click on the search button, and it will give you your details below, where you have to click on go to pay fees button, and it will redirect to this page. Remember one thing here is that there will be two fee structure. One is for taking normal admission with 3 elective subject, and the second one will be for normal admission with an additional, that is what is we know that particular thing as 4th subject. That is, if you are having a 4th subject, then you have to select the APL admission with additional subject fee, and if you do not have the 4th subject, then you have to select the APL admission fee only. Remember, do not select the one which is not applicable to you, else you have to pay the additional fee with certain service charge. So please select the appropriate fee from this drop down menu. If you are having a 4th subject, then you have to select the APL admission with additional subject fee. For example, I am selecting this, and then the second one you have to select the payment gateway. So from that drop down you will be getting PayUmoney. You have to select the PayUmoney payment gateway, and then you have to click pay now button, which will redirect you to this page. If you are paying using a credit card or a debit card, you can give the card details here and click the pay now button. And if you are paying through different net banking, then you have to select the bank. For example, I am selecting here the SBI, that is the State Bank of India, and then I have to click the pay now button, and which will redirect to the SBI online banking page. If you select the ICICI or any other bank on which you are having your account, the link will redirect to that bank, and provide your username and password and maintain the other formalities like OTP and other security measure of the bank, and pay securely your admission fee. On successful payment, you will be getting this receipt take a printout of this receipt and submit a copy of this receipt to the college for office record.